the interface. You can see this is iThenticate of Turnitin, and you can see here this is login. You have to first log in. When you log in, you have to provide your mail address and your password, then you can log in. And you must remember that you must have the access of this iThenticate, otherwise you can't check your Plag report or the detection report, where the similarity report actually. Okay, some publishers used to ask from the authors that you must have provide the similarity report or the Plag report. Okay, so we can generate the Plag report from this iThenticate. Okay, so now I'll show you how iThenticate works. If you have that access, then you can see. So first of all, you can see this is the iThenticate, and these are the documents I have uploaded. Okay, first you can see here this is a upload a file. You can upload here. If you click on it, then you can see it is asking that upload a file, author name. You have to provide the author name and the author last name. This is the author last name, and this is document title. The title of the research paper you have to, or other thing also, not only research paper. Sometime in other works also we need the Plag report. At that time you have to provide that the document title, and then choose file. You have to choose file. If you choose file, then it will ask you to browse, and then you can select that file and then upload. If you finish this upload, then you are able to see. I will show you. This is the upload section. So let's check. So this is here, you can see this one is paper, this one paper. What is the report? It's coming 11%. You can see here. You can delete also. So let's click on it, and it is loading. Now you can see this is a paper. This is the abstract of that paper, and you can see this is green finance has emerged as. So these things are showing that it is somehow it is a Plag. Plag is coming. It means Plag is showing here. It means it is showing that your writings is similar to other previous researcher or other previous writer. Okay, this is similar. So it is showing that this red line, you have to remove this red line first of all. First of all, you have to collect this report, and then once you collect this report, and after that you have to make change in your research paper, original research paper. Okay, so this is the iThenticate report. You can see. So you can see here the author's name also. The cited author's names are also. It is showing that it is also a Plag, but actually this is not a Plag. When this report you have, then when you submit this report to the publisher or the journal, then they will see that what type of Plag is coming from. Is it the Plag from coming from the authors? If it is authors, then it is okay, because this author you can't change. The cited authors you can't change. When you give the references or the cite the author, then you cannot change those words. Okay, so this is also Plag is showing here. Here it is not showing. So you can see some lines again, green finance and green investment. Again it is showing some Plag. Okay, so you can see others also in literature review. These lines are Plag. Okay, so you have to remove these lines, or you have to slight change with the words, with the sentence. You have to change it. Okay, so this is the Plag report. You can see here. I will show you. So another thing you have to remember, that when you were uploading the file in iThenticate or other plagiarism software, at that time you have to remove the referencing part. Okay, if you add the referencing part, then you will not you'll be getting that a 70%, 50%, and then 40% Plag. Okay, because that is referencing part. So referencing part you have to remove. Okay, first of all you have to remove the referencing part from your research paper or the document, and then you have to download, you have to upload that paper, and then once you upload the paper, then you will be getting this result from your from the iThenticate, okay, or other software also. So this is the way how you can see the report generated by the software, the Plag report, and you have to submit this report. If you want to submit this report, then you have to go here. If you click on it, you can see in the bottom of the page, you can see bottom of the screen, there is a sign. I am just pointing it. So you have to click on it, and then you can save your file, and then you have to download. Okay, then you can download, and the downloaded report you can send to the publisher as a Plag report. So this is the Plag report I have shown here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, or this video is beneficial for you. So please keep watching my video and share this video and like this video. If you have some doubt, then you can or query, then you can direct message me. The numbers of my WhatsApp, it is given in my description, so you can contact me also. So other type of thesis guidance or research paper guidance, if you want, then you can direct contact me. Thank you.